exploring the scenery, understanding, taking in the views. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a beautiful and evocative phrase, taking in the views. This expression is not only common in English conversations but also brings with it a sense of peace, appreciation, and mindfulness. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's such a cherished phrase in the English language. Stay with us to enhance your vocabulary and grasp the essence of enjoying the simple pleasures of life. When we talk about taking in the views, we're referring to the act of pausing to look at and appreciate the scenery around us. This could be the breathtaking vista from a mountain peak, the serene beauty of a sunset at the beach, or the vibrant hues of a cityscape from a high vantage point. The key component here is appreciation. It's about fully immersing yourself in the moment and absorbing the beauty that nature or your surroundings have to offer. This phrase can be used in various contexts, ranging from literal to more figurative meanings. Let's explore some examples. Literal use. During our hike, we stopped at several points to take in the views of the valley below. Figurative use. After years of rushing through life, she decided to slow down and start taking in the views, appreciating the small moments that make life beautiful. In both cases, the phrase emphasizes a mindful recognition of one's environment or situation, encouraging a pause and reflection on the present moment. In our fast-paced world, taking a moment to take in the views serves as a reminder to slow down and appreciate what we often overlook. It's about finding beauty in the everyday and allowing ourselves to be moved by the simplicity and majesty of our surroundings. This phrase can inspire us to live more mindfully and with gratitude, enhancing our overall well-being and connection to the world around us. We hope this exploration of taking in the views has inspired you to pause and appreciate the beauty around you, whether it's a natural landscape, a city skyline, or the simple moments of everyday life. Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be appreciated. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep taking in the views.